What is going on, guys? My name is Jennifer Altman. I am the owner of Fitbeeapparel, and today I wanted to pack orders and do a little Q&A. Okay, so I wrote up a bunch of small business owner questions I found off Google, and I picked 3 questions. As I pack orders, we are going to be answering those 3 questions. So let's get started. I'm nervous. Which one should I pick first? I don't know. Let's just do the top one. Share your top 3 tools you use for business. That one's a good one. I remember when I wrote that question out, I was like, that's gonna be a good one to talk about because I get so many questions about everything I use. So there's so much. I think 3 tools will be a good start. But first, I'm going to make my tags for my pieces. Not part of the Q&A, but I order these from one manufacturer and then I buy these little tag, what are they called? Oh my gosh. What are they called? From Amazon. And then I buy black safety pins off Amazon as well. I'm purchasing things everywhere for this business. Right now, I'm going to just kind of make a couple so that way I can just start packing up the pieces. But let's begin. So the top 3 tools. Oh my gosh, there's so many actually. Oh gosh. I think the #1 tool is Shopify. That is the online storefront I use. It has been so helpful in my business because after I created my website on it, I plugged in products, I added their weight, and so when people order, it calculates all the weight and creates a shipping label. So when I print out orders, I print out just the shipping label and it generates all that stuff. So I don't have to worry about that. That's been one of my favorite things. And also because I can just go to USPS and drop off the orders when I have them made because I don't have to print out shipping labels because I already have it. And I think the next tool is my shipping label. So I love that. The struggle, I think it was the first year. Thank goodness for my dad for helping me do this because I had no idea how to print out the shipping labels. So he created a custom template on this one, I have no idea what app it was, but basically I would download the shipping labels as PDFs and then import into this 4-slot diagram because I bought basically shipping label stickers on Amazon, and you could place 4 like slots. So I could do 4 shipping labels. But in order to do that and have it line up when you printed it out, my dad made this custom template. So I inserted the PDFs of the shipping labels and then I would press print, but I only could do 4 at a time. So I would insert 4 PDFs into this template, print it out, and then like peel and then put it on the poly mailers as I shipped it out. That was a struggle and a nightmare because I think the application glitched one time and my dad wasn't there to help. So I was like, what am I supposed to do? So getting a shipping label printer, game changer. Highly recommend doing that from the beginning because that was probably the biggest pain for the first year of my business, for sure. Shout out to Shimi because he actually bought it for me for Christmas, I believe like 2 years ago. Yeah, that's been a huge thing. And I would say the 3rd tool that is my top is definitely has to be the camera. I've been taking product shots on, videos, content basically, behind the scenes of the brand, and I wouldn't have been able to do it without my camera. Right now I have a Sony A7C just because the screen flips out so I can kind of see myself, but not really because I'm not wearing my glasses, so I hope this is not blurry. I go between 2 lenses. I have a Tamron, I think it's 17 to 20 something. It's in my description underneath shop my gear. I put the exact lenses I use. So the Sigma, no, The Tamron is mostly for vlogging, and the Sigma that I was about to talk about is for the photos. So all the photo shoots I do, I take the photos that I take of my models, that's all with the Sigma, and that is my favorite lens for photos. I highly suggest that if you're just looking for an overall lens to take photos, like portraits. I like it because you can do portrait, like you can do close-ups, but also far away shots as well. It's kind of an overall good lens. So highly recommend those two lenses. First, the Tamron if you want to do more vlog styles or like video setups, and then the Sigma is just a better quality, especially getting that blurry background and kind of lens. So, but yeah, I think those are my top 3 tools I use for my business. But if you want more in-depth chat about the tools that I do use, let me know. Because I know I get a few questions about how I started my business, and I'm always like, where do I begin? Like, there is so much about it. Like, what do you want to know? I don't know where to begin. But if you give me a topic, I feel like that would be way easier for me. So yeah, let me know if you want a just full-on chat about the business and like what the whole process I do, what tools I use, like as I print out like the orders. But yeah, those are my top 3. So moving on to the next question. Okay. Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh. Bust a myth about your business. You guys aren't ready for this. You guys are not ready for this. No, it's just I feel like it's a stupid one too. It's fine. It's okay. It's okay. A lot of people think like a whole team works for me. I'm pretty sure I'm alone in this room right now. I do have a lot of friends that help out once in a while, and thank goodness for them, because this is difficult, especially working a full-time job that's already stressful. And I'm drained by the end of the day, the work day. Hence, I just took a nap before I recorded this, because I like how I'm so like energetic around like maybe 10 a.m., especially at work. Like I'm writing like my to-do list when I get home from work, and by the time I leave, I'm like a zombie, and I don't understand. It has to be that I'm mentally drained. Like, I don't get it. But then again, if it was easy, anyone would do it. So some days I'm like, it's okay. Let's do a 30-minute nap and let's get going. Basically, it feels like a whole new day. So I have a whole night now. Oh my gosh. But yeah, working by myself. This is what happens. You just talk to yourself all day, or you talk to a camera all day. Hi, YouTube. Okay, I think I have enough tags for right now. So we're gonna put that to the side, and we will move on to, oh my gosh, it's the last question. Maybe I'll still talk, you know me. The girl that always talks so much. I was about to, I feel like, should I market myself as like the fitness trainer who won't shut her mouth? I feel like I talk so much. Every time I go to just networking events, anything, I will like, please just come up to me and just say, shut the up, Jennifer. Like, please. Okay, so we're packing up some orders. So I recycle these bags, but I don't like the look of them because I work with different manufacturers, so every bag looks different. So I'm very uniform when it comes to my business. I order from another manufacturer, but our frosted bags and established 2020 Fitbeeapparel activewear and performance. Oh my gosh, at first I was like, did I spell performance wrong? I wouldn't be surprised like if I did do that. And then I add the sizing tags to each bag just to help me out. And then when people will get their orders, they kind of assume what piece is what when they order. So we're starting with that. Okay, wait, moving on to the next one. Next question. Oh, next question. What is going on? Answer a that is not a word. That is not a sexy word. Answer a frequent asked question related to your business. Okay, that is the ugliest word I've ever, like, please delete that from the dictionary. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait, this one. Oh, I have a juicy answer for this one. Okay, wow. We're talking about this. We're really talking about this. It's okay. It's okay. You're not talking to the whole world right now. You're not. You're not. People aren't just watching you pack up orders in your 600 square foot Chicago apartment. Nope. That's not happening right now. What am I doing? Okay, putting a tag on. So now, tag, safety pin, and I place it right above the pocket, like that. And then I'm gonna put that to the side. Everything's in the way. So I like to refold it in a way just so it fits perfectly in the bag. This is why it kind of takes a while for me to pack up orders, guys. So I apologize. I do my best though. Fold in the crotch, fold it, yes, perfect. And then we slide it in. Wee, so pretty. Yes, just like that. Yay, we did it. Nice. One down, a lot more to go. Oh gosh. Okay, the most question I get about my business. I would say, well, I know what I'm gonna say. I would say, how much money do you make? We're going there. We're going there. I don't think I've told the world this yet. How much money does my business, Fitbeeapparel, make? Let's see. What do you think before I answer? Drop it in the comments below. How much do you think Fitbee, I guess I make per year from the brand Fitbeeapparel? Drop it in the comments. I wanna know. I wanna know. I wanna know. I'll wait. I'll wait. So you can do that. Did you do it? Did you do it? Oh my God, did you do it? Do you think you were right? No. Okay, anyways, I'm literally talking to myself right now. Oh my God. Okay, drum roll. Where's the drum roll? Guys, where's the drum roll? I need a drum roll. Oh wait, I'm the only person that works here. I love it, guys. Don't even tempt me. It has varied per year. If I say profit then, in the past, we've been open 3 years, 3 or so years. The profit we have made at Fitbeeapparel is, I don't think you're ready for this. $0. Girl, what are you doing? Yes, that's what, yeah. Thank you. I get that. I get told that all the time. Girl, what are you doing? Okay, it's called a passion and it's called believing in not just yourself, but in a brand. Wait, I'm not supposed to pack that bra that way. Yeah, we have not made profits in the first few years of the business. And that's actually normal. I've talked to a lot of business owners. So, and the fact when they asked me, they're like, oh, okay, makes sense. I'm like, yep. Hence why I still have a full-time job, but hence why I'm not giving up. So, yeah. Were you expecting that answer? Let me know. I'm really trying my best though to grow the brand, grow a team and all that good stuff, because I think that's gonna be when we like level up, but it's hard to do that, especially when the brand doesn't get paid. So that's the goal for the next year or so, is to make a profit. And I think we can. I think we can. I know we've gone through hurdles, especially launching during COVID, the week after it started. But I think I have a good feeling. So that's all you have to do is believe. Yeah. Okay, that was the questions. Is this a small? I'm like, what if like I'm packing all the wrong orders? Like each person gets like something different. No, I'm kidding. I double check my work. Like that's how psycho I am. I only have one girl here in Chicago. If I'm not here, she packs them. I don't know, should I wrap it up right now? Like, I mean, I'm still gonna keep going, but yeah, I guess that wraps up for today's video. I'm gonna keep on packing orders. And if you haven't ordered Fitbeeapparel, you can save 20% off your first order using promo code first 20 at checkout, and we are trying our best to, or trying my best to do another launch within the next few months. So yeah, I really hope we can get something together. I'm working on a graphic tee, so I'm working on the design for that, and I don't know why I want it to be perfect, even though I should probably just like go with it. I do have a design, but I'm nervous, you know? Yeah, the whole sampling process takes a bit too. We'll have to do that, test it out. Usually I'll work out in it, I'll sweat in it, I'll wash it to make sure the quality is really good before I place in the bulk order. I've been sampling pieces and I think we're going on the right track. Let me know what you thought about this video. Let me know if you have any questions about the brand. If you want to see more business related videos, I am so down to do that because I literally have no one to talk about these things. So it would be nice to be able to chat with people about it because I feel so alone. It's okay. Hope you guys have a good day and a good rest of your week. But until next time, peace. My legs, oh my gosh, wait, I can't get up. Oh my gosh, I'm so old. Wait, I really can't get up. Oh my God. Okay, I'm just gonna lay down now. I'm just gonna lay down right now. Okay, bye. Bye.